Hello guys, today I'm going to show some basics which one must know in AutoCAD. This is especially useful for the structural engineers who are not very much familiar with the AutoCAD basis. So you can start with this. So first how I'm going to explain the various commands in this lecture is we'll just go through some of the most commonly used commands. So through this lecture I'm intending to make you familiar with some of the most useful commands which you can use for editing the drawings or for making some quick drawings. So first is the line command. So you can either go to the icon, press line, or you can press L and it is the shortcut. So you can select this and then they have given line specify next point. So specify first point and then if you want you can give the length, so you will get the line of the desired length. Now next what we will do is go for rectangle command. So here you can see the rectangle command, or you can go for RDC and you can see first point and the next point you have to select. And here you can see in the box area dimensions. So if suppose you want to give dimensions, you can press D and you can specify the length and you can specify the width. So suppose I'm going for 6000 length and I'm going for width equal to 3000. So you can see the rectangle being formed. So when I pressed escape, you can see that the rectangle was not entered. So if you want that rectangle to be there, then you have to press enter. So next one is circle. So if you hover the cursor here, you can see creates a circle using a center point and radius. So let us press C. You can specify the center. You can specify, so either by default you have to specify radius, or if you want to specify diameter you have to press D. So I entered the radius and the circle is formed. Now delete. Now next one is so if you go to circle, you can see the various options. So you have to simply go through the steps. So this is the another way. This is ellipse, and here you can see further note, that is donut and ray. So all these things are similar. So this is spline fit, which helps you draw a spline fit points, and this is arc. So let me show arc. So specify second point and specify third point. So suppose I make a rectangle and I will go to this arc command. So we will keep the okay guys, so this is the snap cursor. This, if you keep the snap cursor on, you can see that the cursor easily catches the intersection of the line. So here we will use it. So we will catch, here we are going to see is the array command. So you can see here when we pressed ARR, you have this list of commands. We will press this and select objects. So what we will do is we will first make a circle and then we will go AR. Yes, so I will press this. So here you can see the rectangular array, so it's under the modify button. So I have pressed this and they have asked rectangular, polar. I'm going for rectangular, so I will press R and you can see the array form. So here you can give the number of columns, rows, so like that you can form the array. Delete it. So now same way we can form ellipse. So when it comes to ellipse, they have asked us to specify endpoint of axis and specify distance to other. So as I move the cursor, you can see what line they are asking us to mention. So I will now just press this here. So it is like that, very easy. Now next I will explain some fundamentals over here. So here if you see, if I put it off, the grid is gone and I can put it on. Then you can go to grid settings, for which I did the right click and then this box is opened, so you can give the snap spacing. So in order to know the units, we will go for, and then you can see the units, so you can change the units. Now we will go to home. Okay, here you can see this new open save, and if you go to drawing utilities, you have the units and okay, and you have this option import data from a PDF file into current drawing, and export, create a DWF file, creates a PDF file, and drawing utilities, recover, repair a damaged drawing file, units. This is drawing properties, so you can give details, so you can see this created, modified. So if you want to see the modified time dates, you can simply go to this and you can go to your drawing utilities and you can drawing properties here. So you can see how this circle is being formed. So what we will do is we will take arc, we will hold here and hold here, and then you can see a dome like structure here. So we will select this and